Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be making chocolate ganache cake. I'm going to be frosting this cake with chocolate ganache. The recipe is simple: 600 grams dark chocolate, 250-gram heavy cream. Boil the heavy cream, just make it hot, then pour it on the chocolate, then stir. That's how I got my ganache. So I'm just going to use the ganache to layer all my cake. The frosting in the middle is Swiss meringue buttercream. This is to give this cake more structure when it enters into the fridge. So I'm just basically going to use chocolate ganache to crumb coat my cake all through. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like this video. As you all know, my weather is a very hot one, so sometimes using chocolate ganache will look like an impossible adventure, but trust me, it is very easy. So this is how I go about it. I'm just gonna frost and do my first crumb coat and pop it into the fridge or freezer. I'd prefer you pop it into the fridge. Just 5 minutes, it's set. Then you scrape and cut off all unnecessary parts. Now I'm just gonna add the second coat, and this is just for it to have more structure and a thicker coat. So this is me applying the second coat to it, because I'm not going to be putting fondant on this. This is just how this cake is going to be. This is how my brother requested for it. This, and he's a chocolate lover, so he just wants chocolate all through. So I just thought, why not cover with chocolate ganache? And he says, don't stress yourself, just cover with chocolate and give me my cake like that. Who does that? I can't just give you your cake like that. He doesn't even want decorations. In this video, I'm just going to scrape off the top. This top is well chilled. I only chill it for like 10 minutes and it's like this. So that's, you have to get good chocolate for this. I use chocolate bars. I don't know how the chocolate chip is gonna be, but I use chocolate bars. So I just thought, okay, why don't I just decorate with a little bit of Swiss meringue buttercream, which I did, and I'm just going to add a bit of Oreos to the cake to give it a little edge or difference. So this is what the swirl looks like after piping on the chocolate ganache. Is looking glossy and beautiful. So I just thought I start adding my Oreos. So you can do anything at this stage. You can decorate it, you can decide to eat it ordinary, but I just thought I add a little bit of decoration to this. If you have watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it to somebody who needs it, or somebody who wants to make chocolate ganache in a tropical environment. Please note that the link to the tools used in this video will be in the description box below. Look at how solid my chocolate ganache is, and trust me, this is very yummy. I melted a little bit of the remains of the chocolate ganache, and look at how glossy it looks. I didn't have to do much. I just took a bowl of hot water and placed the chocolate bowl on top of it, and it loosened up a little bit, and this is it. I didn't have to do much. So this is what it looks like when it's in its runny state. So I'm just gonna pipe my drip with a spoon. I'm just gonna pour my drip with a spoon. So I just thought I should add a topper to this, so which I did. I added a happy birthday topper, and this is the end of it. Hope you liked this video. Hope it's educating, hope it's helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye for now.